Alright, these are the elevators here at the Spot X Hotel off International Drive in Orlando, Florida. And we have some TISCRUB elevators to ride. Then on the one. Oh wow, we got Vertical Xpress. Interesting. Get a cab view. Pretty basic elevators for a hotel, not quite too exciting. There's the hotel name on the mats. Floor indicator, certificates, mat Atoll fixtures. Capacity is 3,500. This is elevator 1 along with your phone button. Euro 1. TAKA 4. We're back at 4. Send this car away, we'll try to get the other one. Interesting how this call station is not at 88 level. And here's the other elevator. This one's got a working grocery beep. That button's been replaced. And now we get our cab view of this elevator. Same as the other one. Very basic for a hotel. There's your hotel name on the mats. Certificates. Floor indicator. These are your mat Atoll fixtures, except the one button's been replaced. Capacity is 3,500. This is elevator 2, along with your phone button. We're back at 1. And now we'll go back to the 4 and end it up there. Otherwise, these are not the most exciting elevators. And that will be it.